Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at a weird angle today. I should be like this, but I'm not. I'm coming from the side. So today I'm going to show you how I organize my sequins, and next will be my glitter. This is what it looks like when it's done. You can shake them around, move them. I love this storage. So they sell these little storage box systems at Harbor Freight. If you don't have one, you can order them online. They're $4.79, I believe, and Harbor Freight always has a coupon for 20% off one item. So you could get it for like $3.84, I think, after coupon. So that's a really good deal, and it holds 25 different sequins colors. So I love that. This is like a very affordable way without opening, like, you know, the storage units that are like this that have the things. My kids are in my craft room all the time, and if they just happen to open those one containers, those sequins would be completely mixed, ruined, or on the floor. So it's definitely been my favorite way to store sequins, and I'll show you. And look, here's what they come with. 25 of these little guys. These are good for sequins and other little knickknacks, but I would not put glitter in them. Glitter can get out of, like, out of the cracks a little bit, even with it closed. But sequins, so far, so good. I love it. So I ended up having one more storage box left over. I'm gonna keep it because I do like to save the sequins mixes that my my swap pals give me. So I'm definitely keeping that. And here they are. So cute. Like, lots of, I tried to, you know, color coordinate it the best that I could. Started with blues, purples, and I love that they're individually, like, when I'm working on something and I'm gonna create a mix, like, I'll get my little coffee mug, and then I'll stick like a little bit of this. I'll pick which ones I want, and then I'm able to control what I want to put in. And I got this one. These are greens that transitions into teals, then greens, yellows, oranges, and oops, whoa. The containers came with these little foam pieces. I'm just gonna leave them in there because I feel like it helps keep them more like sturdy without, because if you take them out, they can kind of like, I feel like there's room for stuff in there. So maybe if you have like loose little baggies of some sequins and stuff, maybe you could take these out. But I like the way that it keeps them nice and snug. My next one are my golds that transitions into brown, then black. The golds originally started over here, and then whites, pearls, super pretty. Then the red container, the pinks that I had, the reds ran out, so I just continued the reds. And then this box turns into like my sequins mixes that I got from you guys. There's some like red and blacks, some gold and silvers, and then oddball shapes. So like stars, those are shaped like reindeer. These ones are birthday cakes, trees, all miscellaneous stuff. Here's like a cute Halloween mix that I got. And my fourth one that I got is like these little tiny ones. They do sometimes slip out of the crack, these itty bitty. These aren't really sequins, but they're cute, and I use them a lot in my shaker, so they're in here. More considered, I think, like a glitter. But yeah, some stars, a cute little unicorn mix. And I like how you can see the bottom too. You just flip it on over. There's some Christmas ones, and then a couple of empty ones that I didn't fill as well. So what I'm gonna do next in my next video maybe is my glitter organization. I love that these come in these like little clear bottles and you can pour it easy. These ones are very, gotta like get the cork back in. Last time I stuck the cork too far and it went in, and there's no returning from that. Like that will be stuck in there unless you get pliers and it starts falling apart. But yeah, I want to transfer these guys. Cute, look at the hearts. Like this one, just oddball tube. I want to add them all, try to make them uniform. Here's all the Target dollar spot glitters I want to organize. So yeah, I did order some containers, not this giant, but off of Amazon, so I will see what size they are when they come to me. Here's another container. I have some, this was before, you know, the Dollar Tree sequin mix. These are them, and they literally fit in these tiny, I mean, I got this on Amazon and I was so upset when I got it. Like seriously, it doesn't even fit my ring in there. These are tiny, and so it barely fits any. But these are from like the 99-cent store in those little packets. So those are in there. And then I just got like this party mix of it. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. And I did separate that into a couple of these guys. I just dumped them into these. I did get these in a pack of 3 a couple years ago from I want to say the Target dollar spot. And they have little shaker parts, but I don't use it for that. It's not glitter, it's just big giant confetti basically. So that'll eventually get organized. Last but not least, some of the sequins that I have in these containers, there was lots extra. So like for instance, the birthday cakes. I didn't want to waste a full another little square. I mean, you can if you want to, but I remember I have these bags, so I was like, I figure I need to use them. I think they're like little bead bags from Michael's, and they were on sale one day and I got them. But yeah, I just put all the overflow into little baggies, and they're just in here waiting for the container of them to get low and I can top them off again. And these little guys, like I said, I like these containers. I like jars. So these are all from Daiso Japan. Christmas, Halloween. I don't know what other holiday they have. I haven't been there in a while, so probably have to stop by and check it out. But I like leaving them in there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And if you like rainbows and color coordinating like I do, this is your go-to organization for cheap. Bye.